welcome to Sweet Kids and Adult Learning. I am Mrs. Zuru. Today we'll be looking at 10 English words we say wrongly. 10 English words we say wrongly. In Nigeria, most people make use of this word, but they say them wrongly. So today we'll be looking at the right way to say these words, okay? Now let's look at the words. Number one is biro. You don't say biro, it's not biro, it is pen, okay? It's pen, it's not biro. 2, Indomie. No, you don't say Indomie, you say noodles, okay? Number 3, tomatoes. No, it's tomatoes, okay? Number 4, you don't say gala, no, you say sausage. Remember, one of the sausage is gala, okay? Number 5 is pure water. No, you say sachet water, okay? Number 6, pampers. No, pampers is the name of a diaper, okay? You say diaper. Number 7, you don't say packer. No, you say dustpan. Number 8, you don't say wiper. No, you say wipes, okay? Number 9, you don't say towel. No, you say towel. Can I have my towel, okay? Number 10, you don't say barb. No, you don't barb hair. You say what? Cut. I want to go to barber's shop to cut my hair, okay? Now we've been able to look at these 10 words and how we can say them rightly, okay? So from now, make use of this word and use them rightly. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos in my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye.